Welcome to Riverstone Marketing. Are you tired of spending hours on presentations? Well, get ready to say goodbye to slide design stress because Canva's just dropped a game changer. Today I'm going to show you how to design a stunning presentation in under 2 minutes using the power of AI. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, open up the home screen of Canva. Now, these incredible AI features are part of a special trial that was just announced at the Canva Live event. To unlock them, you'll need to look for the banner at the top of the homepage here. It's a hidden puzzle, so it's not obvious. You need to sequentially click on the graphics here from left to right. Make sure you do this to access the AI power we are about to unleash. Once you've done that, make sure to select Canva AI on this prompt screen. The key to getting a really good starting point is having a really good prompt. It won't give you a perfect product, but it will take hours away from the presentation design and leave you to fill in the blanks with your important details. So how do you write a really good prompt? You need to tell Canva AI what your presentation is about. Be specific but concise. For example, let's say, I need a presentation on marketing strategies for new businesses. And that's good, but I can be more specific. I'm going to ask for 5 key marketing strategies for client engagement in creative businesses. Now, click design for me and let's watch the magic happen. It can take up to a couple of minutes. Canva AI has generated a full presentation with a title slide, key topic slides, and some different layouts and visuals, all based on that simple prompt. Now, is it perfect right out the gate? No, it's not, unless you're extremely lucky. But it's an incredible starting point, and it can save you a ton of time. The key to getting even better results is the prompt. So think about including like the topic, be clear about what the presentation is about. Consider putting in the number of slides, so it could be a 5-slide presentation or a 10-slide presentation, depending on how long you want it to be. The tone, it could be create a professional presentation or create a fun and engaging presentation. Or you could think about adding in the target audience, so it might be a presentation for investors, it might be a presentation for 14 to 16-year-olds. It depends on who your audience is going to be. Experiment with these different prompts to see the range of results that you can get. You can customize the text, images, colors to match the brand. There are some limitations though, and you might need to replace different sections, but it gives you a really good idea. And this tool is only going to become stronger and more powerful when it properly comes out, because this is just a trial for the first 1 million people after all. So are you ready to create stunning presentations in minutes? If you haven't yet unlocked the trial for the new features, well, there is still time. Don't forget to unlock it. There are so many new features that it's definitely worth giving it a go. This is just the first of a short mini-series I'm making about some of the key new features of Canva that I think could fit really well with small businesses and small business objectives. So what do you think so far of Canva's AI presentation tool? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, tap the like button and subscribe to Riverstone Marketing for even more time-saving tools and tricks for your small business. Next time, we're diving into some of the new AI image design features of Canva. See you in the next one.